Corey Anderson versus Armani Lyman.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Christopher Wilkie, witness standing against Verbal.
Your name?
Armani Landlord.
All right. Okay, folks, where are we on this case? What is plaintiff's claim this time?
I just wanted to let you know that I didn't get the whole 2,500 in, but
See that.
1,000. I will have the rest of that next Friday to turn in. I also would like to countersue just because I came here. I'm still not peacefully.
Well, you needed to file something with the court before now. What is your claim in this case?
Your Honor, claim title $11,707. I'm sorry, and that's inclusive of court costs.
How much is that?
And Your Honor, if you can't sense, this is a case that maybe the parties could be working together, and there's some issues on the side. Considering the defendant's statements that they wish to file additional claims, we would be requesting a judgment by no tribal issue today. However, I would not be opposed to an adjournment. Considering I'm a covering attorney and Mr. Jarbo may be more familiar specifically with what's going on with the parties, I don't want to.
Right. Well, I am inclined. The total amount that's owed is, I'm sorry, what was that total amount again?
$1,707.37.
I had, how much were your court costs, counsel? See if because what I have is at the last hearing, March 13th, it was $11,529.39. And I don't know why that number would have gone up.
The amount that it's gone up would be the $178.
What is it? Okay, gotcha. All right. Anything else from either side?
I believe my client may be trying to make a statement if she wants to.
I have a inspection scheduled for April 6th with the Pittsville Township. And I need to have access to the property and make repairs for their certificate of completion.
You're going to need to work. I understand that, but you're going to need to work that out, comply with the local ordinance regarding notice. I'm not going to get involved between the two of you trying to get into the property. You guys are going to have to figure out a way to work that out.
I filed a 7-day notice. I will submit it to the court on Monday, but I can't.
7-day notice for what?
There's some things I think to clarify off the record, Your Honor, and we will go over those procedures. Thank you.
All right. So you deposited into escrow $7,600. When are you going to have that other balance? Because you were supposed to deposit $2,500 in, and then I might consider something else, but you didn't do that.
Yes, I had came up short. I will have the rest of that next Friday.
Court's going to find no tribal issue. I'm going to grant a judgment for possession in the amount of inclusive court costs of $11,707.37. With a writ to issue, you've got to have all of that, the difference paid by March 6th. And I'm sorry, April 6th. That's a 10-day period, 2026.
How much again? I'm sorry.
Well, you can give me 11,707.37 minus 7,600.
4,000.
$137.37.
Gotta have that paid by the 6th.
I thought it was.
I'm sorry? I'm sorry?
I thought it would have just been the $2,761.60.
No, I'm gonna give them, you were supposed to bring 2,500 in. I was very careful with you to get that in. That didn't even include the full amount to bring that up. I'm not gonna hear a dispute where you were supposed to pay something, you haven't paid it to the court. I'm granting them a judgment. I really don't have a tribal issue in terms of this judgment. I'm gonna grant them a judgment. That balance, I'm gonna release the escrow to the plaintiff. And the balance has to be paid by the 6th. In terms of any inspection or whatever, or however you guys want to do, you guys fit. Thank you.